Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel AZ Learning Space. And today is the topic that we will going to learn about or study about. It is all about the paragraph. For the paragraph, I have compiled here some important points that will going to help it out your child or a particular student how to construct a good paragraph. Before starting off a paragraph, I would like you all to think it about for a minute that what is a paragraph. Whenever someone asks us, or in the English, we got some kind of a creative writing topic, or either if it is like a picture scene writing, so we are composing some sentences. We are giving the particular thing or the object some kind of description, some kind of like related vocabulary based on the verbs, adverbs, adjectives. So we are actually enhancing, we are actually describing that particular thing. So for that thing, we will be constructing a series of sentences which are interrelated with each other and are based on that particular object or a thing. So over here I will be teaching you regarding the parts of a paragraph. Whenever if we have to construct a simple paragraph, make sure I am talking here only regarding the paragraph, not essay writing. Essay writing is a very different thing, and it is composed of 4 or 5 different paragraphs. How you have to do that, we will cover that thing into different topic, but over here it is all about a simple paragraph. So let's begin. The very first thing, we have to consider 3 important elements whenever we are composing anything regarding a particular object or a thing. So the very first thing is the topic sentence. Means to say, the topic sentence always given it to you. Whenever somebody asks you, write a paragraph on my country, so that is called your topic sentence, but you have to rephrase it into your own words and add some kind of like an introductory sentence for the paragraph. Supporting details that relevant and that support the particular topic that you have chosen, that you have given to write. You will going to compose different sentences to support that particular thing. Concluding sentence, what will be you going to include in the summary or in the final conclusion of that particular paragraph. Now for the topic sentence. Topic sentence is basically the first sentence in a paragraph introduces the main idea of the paragraph. Here you are just simply focusing on to write a simple topic sentence, that is the start of your paragraph. How you make the reader to, how you going to convince the reader to read the full paragraph till the end. Now this is the main important point. Every time student start writing up the XYZ sentences at the earliest, but remember that obviously there's a very common saying, first impression is the last impression. So paragraph, the topic sentence works here in the same way. For the supporting details, we have, it gives details and support the main idea, gives supporting facts, details and example. If I am talking about my country, so you will be talking about your country. You have already introduced my country name is, for example, Pakistan, or either it is UAE or some any other. So once you are done, then you will going to add more relevant details like how much land is there, what kind of a country it is this, what culture and traditions, values they hold. These all are the supporting facts or the details. Now the closing sentence, this is called the ending or the final conclusion of your sentence, of your paragraph. The last sentence in a paragraph, it restates the idea but using different words. I'm repeating, restates the main idea but using different words. You are writing down the same idea but into a different way. Now we have with us a simple example here. The topic I have given here, it is all about my mother. So this is your a topic sentence, but at the very first I will going to elaborate this particular topic a little bit more so that it convinces the reader to go through till the end of the paragraph. My mother's name is XYZ. She is 40 years old and she's a housewife. This is just a simple complete paragraph introduction, that your mother name is XYZ, and then how old she is and what kind of a profession or what kind of a work she used to be normally do. Then I will going to enhance this particular topic sentence by adding relevant ideas, details, or any kind of an example. She is so much hardworking. She does almost all the works in the family. As a mother, she has sacrificed so much in her life for a better future. She wakes up early in the morning. First of all, she does prayer, and then she called me to go for a morning walk with my father. Then she cooks food for us. We eat breakfast together after the morning walk. My mother has lots of character values. She is so kind with people. She loves to help poor relatives. Now, over here, all these things contributes through the character, to the responsibility, or to the role of the mother. What kind of a role and how much valuable importance of her in the family. Now in the last over here, if you can see, she had a great relationship with our neighbors and relatives. If you can look around with one thing over here in the last two lines, that my mother has lots of character values, she's so kind with people, we are talking about her personality. So with respect to that personality, we have ended up our paragraph over here, that she also holds kindness relationship and good connection with the neighbors and all other the relatives. In this way you will be ending up your paragraph. Remember, whenever paragraph composing asks, so you can compose either in 7 to 8 lines, 9 to 10 lines. It depends on to the child age bracket plus into which grade he or she is learning. So try to compose a good, a meaningful, and a readable kind of a content for the reader, so that he or she should convince to read your full paragraph. This is the end of our today's topic. I hope you all have understand about the paragraph writing and the elements included in the paragraph writing. So I will just be repeating this one more time, that what makes a good paragraph? It is the topic sentence, supporting details, and the concluding sentence. Hopefully you all have learned this topic very well, and if you want to learn more about of the paragraph and different kinds of paragraph, narrative, descriptive, and informative, so do comment below in the video comment section, and I will get back to you soon. So till the next time everyone, stay tuned at AZ Learning Space, and we'll be meeting you inshallah next time.